So what's up mga idol? So magandang umaga sa mga nanonood ng umaga at siyempre magandang gabi sa mga nanonood ng gabi. So andito naman ako ngayon sa social media at mag-ingay sa inyo. Ang masabi ko yan sa inyo mga idol na panoorin nyo yung mga video namin ni Super DM. So ito, panoorin nyo mga idol.
Okay, what is salute?
Salute is the most important form of military courtesy, sir.
Okay, you're right. What is attention?
Attention is to stand straight without laughing or smiling, sir.
Okay. What is courtesy?
Courtesy is an act of giving consideration, respect, love, attention towards another person, sir.
Okay. What is squalling?
Squealing is an act of telling or revealing the secret, and that is punishable by law, sir.
Okay. What is cadets?
Cadets is the member of the school university whose main objective to train boys and girls as a potential officer of armed forces, sir.
Okay, you're right. So what is military discipline?
Military discipline is that mental attitude and state of training which renders obedience and proper conduct instinctive under all conditions, sir.
Okay. What is squad?
Squad is a small organized group of military personnel, especially a tactical unit that can be easily directed in the field, sir.
Okay. Give me 5 body parts of the rifle.
Bolt plate, trigger guard, rear sight, front sight, sir.
Okay. What are the 3 kinds of salute?
Sword salute, hand salute, rifle salute, sir.
Okay. What is the 11th General Order number 8?
To give the alarm in case of fire or disorder, sir.
Okay, you're right. So ngayon, tingnan natin ang galing mo. Kung ma-recite mo ang 11 General Orders, bibigyan kita ng 1 million. Imposible ma-recite mo yan. Ang taas niyan.
I accept the challenge, sir. To take charge of the post and company properties in view and to preserve with utmost diligence. To walk my post during his chore of duty in a military manner, keeping always on alert and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. To report all violation of regulation and orders I am instructed to enforce. To repeat all calls from post more distance from the guardhouse where I am
wag na lang. Wala ko 1 million. Grabe, ang galing mo. Pwede ka na maging commander. Daing mo pa ang opisyal. Ikaw pala ang nakaka-recite ng 11 General Orders.
Ay, sayang ang 1 million, sir. Pero okay na to, sir. Maraking tulong na to sa akin, sir. Itong 10,000, sir. Maraming salamat sa palaro mo, sir. Ngayon pa lang ako nakahawak ng ganito kalaking tira, sir. Salamat talaga. Makakabayad na ako sa utang ko, sir. Maraming salamat sa palaro mo, sir. Kasi alam mo, sir, sobrang hirap talaga ng buhay.